All right, name the legs of the right triangle. Okay, so what are the legs? So this one right here? And this one? No. Yeah, these two are the legs. So we would call that, I'm going to write number 1, AB and BC. This is number 1. Number 2, name the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is across from the what? The right angle. So what would we call the hypotenuse? AC. Then it says find the value of x. What do we use to find the value of x? What was that formula? I'll start it for you. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. What's our C? The hypotenuse. Okay, very good. Okay, so I always go, the hypotenuse is across from the right angle, so that's our C. And then I go shortest to longest. So 5 squared plus 12 squared equals x squared. So 25 plus 144 equals x squared. So that's 169 equals x squared. What is our very last step? How do I solve for x? What do I have to do to both sides? Take the square root. So x equals 13. Okay, so a right triangle, it's self-explanatory. It has a right angle. The hypotenuse is the side opposite of the right angle. We have got to remember that, okay? It's the side opposite of the right angle. And then the legs are the other two sides. They're the sides that form that right angle. Okay, they form that right angle. Questions for me? All right. Alright, I'll give you guys some time to write. So this is the hypotenuse leg congruence theorem. So if triangle ABC and triangle DEF are right triangles, that's the first step. They have to be right triangles. And the hypotenuse, both hypotenuses are congruent. And then there are two legs marked congruent, then the triangles are congruent. Is it possible to use the HL congruence theorem to prove that the two triangles are congruent? So first, are both of these right angles? So first step, are they right triangles? I see a right triangle here and a right triangle here. So are we good there? Okay, second step, is there a hypotenuse marked? Okay, so the hypotenuse is across from the right angle. Are we good there? Then, is there another side, or we can call it a leg?
Yes.
Yep, I see that. So is this HL?
Yeah.
So yes. You don't have to write all of those things, but that's just kind of your mental check. Okay, and then yeah, since it's two sides are touching, we're going to go ahead and draw the line. So first of all, is there a right angle?
Yep.
On both of these. So right is a yes. Okay, is there a hypotenuse marked? Okay, so the hypotenuse is across from the right angle. That triangle's a yes. That triangle's a yes. So this is a yes. And then, is there another leg or a side marked? Yes, because we have this marked. It's marked for this triangle and for this triangle. So it's a yes. So this triangle is a big fat yes. So number 2 was a no. First, do we have a right angle for both of these? Yeah, there's a right angle. So that's a yes. Is the hypotenuse marked on both?
Yes.
The hypotenuse is across from the right angle. Is there anything marked there?
Oh, no.
No, there's no hypotenuse. So is this a yes or a no? It's a no.
That was funny.
But, quick question. So this is a no for HL. But, is this a way to prove two triangles are congruent?
Yeah.
What is this?
That's
Side.
angle side.
Yeah, it's side angle side. It's side angle side. Side angle side. Okay, so we need to make this one side angle side. So we have a side, we have an angle. What do we need? A side. What side, Michael? The one on the right. Yeah, so what's that called? W U. Yeah, you're good. Okay, and then let's look over here. We have a side, an angle. What other side do we need? Good. ZX. Okay, so we have two sides, so we need another side. This one's kind of self-explanatory. So we have side, side, we need to add another side. So let's call this GE. Needs to be congruent to what? WY. Angle. So what did you guys pick for number 7, Luke? DE needs to be marked congruent to what? JK. That's good. So DE needs to be congruent to JK. That's perfect. Because we need to make it angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. If I even start, what do I recognize that these triangles what? They touch, so, yeah, right away I can put that line there. Okay, so I need to make it HL. Well, first, are they both right triangles? Yes. Are the hypotenuse marked congruent? No, so I need to make that congruent, marked congruent to that side. If you get confused, draw the arrow. I think it's the easiest thing to do. Draw the arrow. Because then you know you're correct. So then what would I call these two sides? Okay, WX should be congruent to what? KV. Very good. It's in the correct order as well. Love it. Let's mark the hypotenuse and a leg and put HL question mark. And this one is a yes. And add the smiley face because it makes your day better.